Okay, let's try this again. Let's try this again. What up to my dolls? I am LeWonta Leah, also known as LeeLee or Truly, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new, and hey to my babies if you are true. Welcome to another video, you guys. So today I just wanted to come and I wanted to talk to y'all. I don't know if someone needed this in the way that I needed this today. I really don't even know what the message is or what's gonna come out. However, your girl has pulled up at the gym, and it is my first time at the gym in over 6 months, and I'm sitting in the car and I had this like fear of going in. And so I was like, if I got this fear, I know that it's other people who be having this type of fear, and so I just wanted to kind of come and encourage you today and like give you some motivation or maybe some inspiration to help you along your journey. So if you guys don't know, if you new here and you ain't true here, my channel actually started with my fitness journey back in 2015. So actually it didn't get into my fitness journey until 2016. It started as a vlog channel because my first video was this year, was 20. Let me go back, let me calm down. I think this energy drink is clicking in. I got some PR, which is this Bloom sparkling energy, and I think it's kicking in. I don't want this video to be too long, so I want to get it going. Okay, so anyways, I started my channel in 2015, and my first vlog on this channel was my birthday vlog. I was turning 25 years old, y'all, and so I just had got the inspiration. I used to try to do YouTube back in 2008, and that's when I used to do quick weaves, and it was a challenge called Watch Me Shrink on YouTube at that time that was very popular. And I had just had Mariah, which is my firstborn. She's 16 years old, y'all, and I wanted to lose weight. I've always been pretty much very active. I cheer, I dance, I play tennis. I also was very active in karate. I did take martial arts. I practiced Aikido. So these are just like fun facts about me, right? Always very active, always doing something, okay? And so once I had my baby, I gained all this weight. I went from 128 pounds to 189 pounds, just like that. Like, when I say back then, people was like, did you get your ass done? Because I've always been kind of thick, but girl, I had got like a horse butt. They was calling me horse butt and giraffe booty and all these different terms because my butt was big, I was skinny, and it was sitting up, and you know, I had all this weight or whatever. So I remember trying to start on my brother's iMac in his bedroom at his house. I was like, my first video, my channel was called The Kitty Cat Den, because at that time, girl, I had became an exotic dancer, everything, girl. Okay, we're going left. Anyway, so I had did the Watch Me Shrink, and I was working out and I was trying to change my eating. And at this point, y'all, I'm like 18, 19 years old, and I was trying to do this. So this has been a part of my process for a long time, but this is why I'm making this message. The only way you really fail is if you don't start, right? Stop being so hard on yourself for how many times you had to start over or do it again, or you trying to get it right. Practice makes perfect. Each time that you do it a new way, and you end up getting new results, right? So just look at the process as a learning lesson. Now, I get it, especially if you're getting up in age like me. Like, I'm getting on here talking about I've been on this journey since I was 18 years old, and I'm about to be, you know, a good little number this year. So you want to get it right, and you want consistency, and you want the longevity of it. So what I'm getting on here to say is, don't be afraid to start. If I would have been afraid to start this YouTube, I wouldn't be where I am today. I wouldn't be LeeLee yours truly to you. I wouldn't be LeeLee yours truly to me, right? If I would have been afraid to post that first video of how to grow a bigger butt at home, or how to lose weight with lemon water, or waist training, my waist training videos always went viral. Like, all these different things pushed me to the next thing, which created healthier habits in myself, right? And now here I am at the start of 2025, a whole new year, and I've went through life, because life has lifed, right? And certain things happen when life starts life. I got older, so my metabolism slowed. I also have not been having healthy eating patterns or habits, right? I also haven't had like a good workout regimen. I don't have a trainer anymore, so it caused me to stay away from the gym and not go to the gym, because I was used to being a part of a class and all these things that could just throw me off and keep me down, right? I could make up excuse after excuse after excuse, but that's all it will ever be, is an excuse. So if you find yourself constantly making excuses like, you know, well, I could do it next week, or I could do it next month, or I could start then, or I could start then. No, literally get that strength, have that faith of a mustard seed. Put one foot in front of the other and just get yourself to it. And that's where I'm at today. I did not feel like doing this today. I did not want to come here today. But if I wouldn't have got out of my bed, I wouldn't be making this message for you guys right now, right? And so God is really like telling me, like, you need to be more present in the moment and more thankful for your journey than being sad about what has gone and what has been lost and what has happened, right? Like, yeah, life is life. You gained weight. Yeah, who does it? Or, you know, you may not have been practicing the best eating habit, but you're still healthy. And while you have this health, it's better to do preventative care than trying to do aftercare. Okay? So we in this gym, we are on this journey. We starting it off right. And I know everybody be like, well, at the beginning of the year, everybody be like, new year, new me. Cool. Let it be. Excuse me, I'm burping up this stuff. Let it be. New year, new you. New year, another you. Right? We're evolving. We're growing. We're changing. And I love it. And I feel so good today. And I know that God put this message on my heart because somebody is just struggling with the mindset of, hey, I keep having to start over. I keep ending up at this point. What am I doing? And yes, the problem is you. Take accountability for it. It's okay. It is fine. But what are you going to do from here and on out? I'm asking you, what are you going to do to change how you keep ending up in the same spot? Right? So that's the questions that you have to ask yourself. And you got to look in the mirror and ask yourself them questions. You got to bring that to your attention. And if you want like some tips on where to just start, one, start by walking. 10K steps a day changes people's life. Use your iPhone. If you got an Apple Watch, whatever it is that you got, 10K steps a day. Y'all know I love jump roping. We do jump rope into spring every year during the springtime, so that will be coming back. The jump rope is a good place to start, but walking is a even better place to start. Then you can go walk at the gym. You go walk at the track, wherever it is, right? Start switching out drinks for water, right? This is a sugar-free energy drink. So start to get the healthier version of things. Look up recipes. Look up intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting will help you, right? My eating window starts at 11 and ends at 7. Or it can start at 12 and end at 8. You know what I'm saying? So look up these things. I got videos all on my channel about how to lose weight. I got all kind of challenges that I did on my channel, whether you want to do a vegan fast, what I did, a water fast, a vegan fast, or whatever it is that you feel like you need to do to lose weight or to get you started on that initial weight loss. You can probably find it on my channel. Okay, but I'm finna get my butt into the gym because I said I didn't want this video to be long. But I love you guys. I pray that this journey is the one. I pray that on this journey we find even more inspiration within ourselves to continue to fall in love with ourselves, to continue to push forward and become even better versions of ourselves. Okay? That's what the goal is for 2025. We focusing on us. We pouring into us. We loving on us. And everything with LeeLee yours truly is everything you is everything me. Right? That's what LeeLee yours truly stand for. Everything you is everything me. So I love y'all. And I will see you guys on the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I post a video. And I love you.
You've never looked at yourself in the mirror and said, you let you down. Until you get to that point, you let you down. Tell me what you complaining about. Winners complain. Winners want to hear themselves talk. Champions do not complain. Why? Because they're focusing on what they said they wanted to do as a goal. So the only thing you're missing now is, are you willing to get up and do the work? Well, we gonna complain, y'all. We gonna work. You have a chance to control your destiny. That, my friend, is the American dream, not a Cadillac.
I need you to give you your best. Come on, I'm pleading with you. Look, I'm gonna say it one more time. I need you to give you your all. I didn't say your kids. I didn't say your spouse. I didn't say your best friend. I need you for the next 30 days to give you every single thing you got.